Hey you guys! Welcome back to another sewing video brought to you by the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts. Alright, so in today's video, we are going to be talking about some beginner-friendly sewing tips that will help you guys along the way. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing that we are going to talk about are the right and wrong sides of the fabric. This is the right side of the fabric. This is the wrong side of the fabric. Usually, the right side of the fabric has a nice and cool print, and the wrong side is mostly blank. When fabric is cut, the surrounding edge becomes rough and looks unfinished. So it's our job to make it look nice and neat. The unfinished edges are called raw edges. Raw edges are the edge of the fabric that hasn't been sewn. You'll see the little strings sticking out. We usually fix raw edges by using a cool trick. It's called hem. H-E-M. So, let's prepare our hem. Turn your fabric so that the wrong side is facing up. Fold the raw edge. And then I like to iron the fold of the raw edge, just to make it nice and neat. Notice how the raw edges are nice and neat. We've created a hem. No more strings on the side. Pin down the fold to hold in place. Your hem becomes official after gluing or sewing it down. The fold of the fabric. Fold the fabric in half. This is the fold of the fabric. Here we have two pieces of fabric. The right sides are facing up. The wrong sides are facing down. When sewing fabric together, right sides have to touch. Now the fabric is ready for sewing or gluing. Sew or glue along the raw edges. Last quick tip. Cut away extra fabric. This way, your edges will be nice and even. Everything will match together. Alright guys, that's it. I hope this helps. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.